Welcome back to Absolut Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico, and today I'm going to show you how to make the Absolut Watermelon Fizzy Punch. It's fruity, it's sweet, and it's easy as heck to whip up if you've got your friends coming over. Don't forget, guys, to click and subscribe down at the bottom. Don't forget to like all our videos and stick your comments in there. We read all your comments. And we've got a very special guest with us here today, Miss Heather Bruce. Yeah! So first up, are you happy?
I'm very happy.
Good, good. We're very, very happy. I'm gonna start with juicing some watermelon, just because that's gonna be the first base. You're gonna want roughly around about 6 parts of watermelon juice. So that's kind of hard to measure like this. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna say you wanna use roughly around about 1/4 of a watermelon. This should hopefully be suffice. Oof. And what we want to be looking for is 6 parts, which is roughly around about 250, 260 ml. We're gonna need a little bit more watermelon, you know? Nailed it. And this drink's gonna be built, and we're gonna build directly into this pitcher. So as you can see, we're gonna take our blended watermelon and we're gonna fine strain that directly into the glass. Oof. What you're gonna see now is, because of the amount of pulp that's in here, it's gonna start straining really slowly. But if you just start to move that pulp around, you'll already see that that juice is gonna start flowing out. And just keep stirring it. And there we go. And as you can see, guys, we've just got a hell of a lot of pulp in there, and you just don't want that in your drink. And also, you know me, I don't want anything getting stuck in the gap of my tooth. I'm gonna clean this up. Do you wanna crack on with the drink?
Yeah.
Thank you.
So we're gonna keep on adding the cheapest ingredients first. So we have simple syrup. We're gonna add 1 part straight into the pitcher. We're gonna squeeze some lemon juice.
This is looking good.
Take off the lid.
A little bit around there.
You can see it's like a strainer up on this citrus press, so we don't want the pulps from the lemon. Just making sure all the juice are in here. And we want about 1.5 parts of lemon juice.
Nice.
The most important ingredients, we want to pour 3 parts. Absolut watermelon.
Beautiful. Just gonna give this a little stir. Make sure everything's mixed together. Let's fill this with some ice.
And we want to add a lot of ice.
Beautiful. Now, we're gonna top it up with your favorite soda water. Again, make sure you don't use mineral water. Make sure it's club soda or soda water. We're just gonna top it up. Ooh-wee.
Should we give it
a little stir? Oof. This is beautiful. Now to serve it, get any of your glassware that's knocking around the house. Should we put a little bit of ice in there?
Yeah.
Nice. We're just gonna pour a little bit in.
Can't wait to test this one.
We're just pouring that in, making sure that none of the ice falls in at the same time. And then once you've served up your drink, so we're gonna stick a couple of mint sprigs in. Give it a little smack just to start invigorating all the oils so you can smell the mint. Boom. There you have it, guys. Watermelon Fizzy Punch. Shall we have a drink?
Yes.
Cheers. Score.
Smells very good.
That's possibly the best drink of the day. Sublime, real, fresh watermelon flavor. Enhanced with the watermelon flavor of Absolut Vodka. Nose is great. All the fresh fruits, and that mint just gives it another element that's just gonna blow your socks off.
Perfect drink to share with your friends.
You're my friend. I'll share this with you. Cheers, Bruce. We nailed it. Watermelon Fizzy Punch, guys.